This ocean creature doesn't hide. It uses light to vanish. Deep in the ocean, sunlight never reaches. It's a place with no shadows and nowhere to hide. This is a squid, and somehow it survives in complete darkness. Watch closely. Its body begins to glow, producing its own light in a place where there shouldn't be any. But it's not trying to be seen. It's doing the opposite. By matching the faint light above it, the squid erases its shadow, making it nearly invisible from below. Predators search from beneath, looking for anything that stands out, but this squid leaves nothing to see. And before anything notices, it's already gone. In the ocean, survival isn't random. It's built over time through small changes that become something incredible. Some squid can even control how bright they glow, adjusting in real time, like living camouflage made of light. In a place without light, the ability to create it might be the greatest advantage of all. You didn't just see something glow, you saw how it survives. Subscribe now to my channel, and let's keep exploring what the ocean can really do.